Hello and welcome to our A1 floor plan. This is 658 square feet. As you can see, this is the kitchen and the living room area. The kitchen comes with your stainless steel appliance, under cabinet lighting, and plenty of cabinet space. You have a nice island bar here where you could put bar stools, do a cooking class. Here is your stackable washer and dryer. Here you have the living room area with access to the bedroom. They do come mount ready if you would like to mount a television, as well as an outdoor patio and storage space. Plenty of wall space to hang your pictures, your art, all those awesome paintings that you make would go perfect on these walls. This is the bedroom area. You can fit about any size of bed in here, and it also has access to the kitchen and the living area. It is carpeted in here, as well as your walk-in closet for all your fancy coats, dresses, shoes. Here is your very open bathroom area. As you can see, the common areas do come with wood style flooring. Carpet only in the bedrooms. And this has access to your bedroom as well. So you can access it through the bathroom and the living area. Once again, this is our A1 floor plan. 658 square feet of happiness.